All right, welcome to session 5 of the Adaptive Terrains Generative Being Lab. And now we're going to focus on the body as a transduction energy, how energy is becoming life. Chapter 2 makes a simple but radical claim. Your body is not a machine, your body is a transduction engine. This is not a poetic language, it is a description of how life actually works. You see, your system is continuously converting the universe into biology. It's turning photons, the light, the things you see, into hormones. It's turning electrons into ATP. It's turning magnetic fields into circadian timing. It is turning sound waves into neural patterning. It's turning experience into cellular architecture. This means that your biology is not passive, it's participatory. Every breath, every sunrise, every soundscape, every relationship is altering the informational structure of your cells. Iron remembers the stars. The magnetite in your cells remember the earth. The mitochondria remember the first acts of negentropy. Biophotons remember coherence. The field book gives us a new identity. You are you are a living interface between the cosmos and consciousness, a transducer of the universe's intelligence into human experience. This is the foundation of adaptive terrain. In adaptive terrain, biology is becoming meaning. Chapter 3 expands the frame. Your body is not a battlefield, it is an ecosystem. Claude Bernard would say the terrain of your body is everything. And the field book of adaptive terrain takes that seriously. Your terrain is alive. It responds to light. It responds to movement. It responds to nutrients. It responds to story and emotion, environment and meaning. Terrain is the biography of your life expressed as biology. The field book identifies 5 master terrains that you want to get in touch with. You've got your metabolic terrain, and that is the river system of energy and information. You've got your mitochondrial terrain. This is the engine of vitality and the resistance of entropy. You've got the circadian terrain, which is your timing system that governs every timing system in every cell of your body. You got your bioenergetic terrain, which is your biofield, your electromagnetic architecture that lives beneath the physiology, and of course your symbolic terrain, your meaning making, your words that shape identity and resilience. All 5 terrains, one variable governs everything: coherence. Across all 5 terrains, the metabolic terrain, the mitochondrial terrain, the circadian terrain, the bioenergetic terrain, and the symbolic terrain, they're all governed by coherence. Coherence is the alignment, the rhythm, the communication, and resonance of your systems. When coherence rises, health rises. When coherence falls, systems fragment. This is the pivot point. Modern medicine fights disease. Adaptive terrain, on the other hand, strengthens coherence. Your terrain is not your enemy. Your terrain is your healer. Now, the celestial protocol. This is how meaning becomes rhythm. In chapter 5, we introduce the celestial protocol not as mysticism, but as cosmological physiology. It is a protocol that begins with recognition that the human body, the human biology is rhythmic because the universe is rhythmic. Circadian cycles, lunar cycles, seasonal cycles, solar cycles, these are not external phenomena. They are the timing grid of your mitochondria, your hormones, and your biofield. They all depend on it. The Celestial Protocol teaches that coherence is not only biochemical, it is also energetic. It is also temporal. Your system requires morning light to anchor your cortisol awakening response, midday movement to stabilize your metabolic flow, evening descent to restore your parasympathetic tones, and nighttime darkness to initiate mitochondrial repair. These are the requirements of your system, and it goes further. The protocol integrates cosmic rhythm, the larger harmonic field in which the human physiology evolved. It reminds us that you are attuned to what is known as the Schumann resonance. This is the heartbeat of the earth, the frequency of the earth that is shaped by solar wind and entrained by geomagnetic cycles. You are a harmonic instrument inside of a harmonic universe. The celestial protocol is the practice of aligning the human rhythm with cosmic rhythm and thus restoring the timing grid that modern life fractures. Now, bringing it all together, today's cohort work in the Generative Being Lab, these three chapters form a single operational insight. Energy leads to terrain. Terrain leads to rhythm. Rhythm leads to coherence. Coherence supports identity. This is the architecture of human transformation. Our work is not simply to improve people. Our work is to restore the coherence across the scales of cellular, electromagnetic scales, emotional scales, social scales, cosmic scales. So when coherence rises, identity reorganizes. And when identity reorganizes, behavior changes. When behavior changes, the terrain transforms. This is the engine of human renewal. So here's the invitation. You're not here to learn a protocol. You're here to become the stewards of coherence. The field book reminds us that you are a transducer of the universe's intelligence. Your body is an ecosystem. Your rhythm is cosmological. You are a transducer of the universe's intelligence. Your body is its ecosystem. Your rhythm is cosmological. The invitation is simple. Live as if coherence is your primary responsibility, because it is. And when you do, you become what the future requires: a human, a harmonic human, living inside of a harmonic world. Thank you.